I am Professor Ramesh Ramapanicker. I have joined the IIT Kanpur 16 years before, and I am currently a professor at the chemistry department. And for the last 3 years, I have been working as the coordinator for this scientific glassware fabrication and special water facility. And I have been coordinating the day-to-day activities of this facility along with the experienced glass blowers of the institute who are currently working at this system at IIT Kanpur. So the main function of the facility here is actually to make glassware for day-to-day use within the laboratories of IIT Kanpur. And we also receive a lot of orders from outside where there are a number of new institutes specifically which do not have the facility for such a glassware fabrication. Then they approach us and we do work for them on a payment basis, and the standardized price listing is available. We have to do that because our facility is so sophisticated that we are able to create glasswares which are otherwise not available in normal catalogs. So you may not be able to purchase them, but the facility has developed over the last few decades in such a way that any kind of glassware that is required can be fabricated at our facility, and we serve throughout India. And it has also happened that in the past people from other institutes have come to our facility and have taken training, because we have been actually a center of excellence when it comes to fabricating these very difficult glasswares. To show you for an example, if you look at this particular thing, this is a photolyzer. So if you look at this, this has 4 different necks. So that means you can add 4 different things into this. And this is also fabricated with a jacket here. So wherever a reaction or something has to be carried out will happen inside, and then there will be a water jacket that will circulate the water and maintain the temperature here. You will be able to purchase such things from catalogs outside, but what would normally be found is that you can get this same glassware with 1 or 2 necks, but if you, for example, need 4 necks, it is not possible. None of the companies would provide you with such a thing, but whereas in our case we are able to fabricate it ourselves, and it also comes at a price that is close to 20% of what it would be if it has to be purchased from outside. So these are special glasswares that we are able to make. And this facility has also been one of the facility where we have had no complaints, because when a student brings a particular requirement, they would actually bring us something like this, a drawing of this kind, and then we talk to them and then fabricate the glassware according to their requirement. And this has also ensured that the people, the staff who work here are so good that they are able to interact with the students and receive practically 0 complaints from the students. So I have been in charge of the facility for last 3 years and I have had no complaints of any kind from any of the users. It is because we have been so proactive in understanding the requirements, and we also have a set of staff who are very proud of the work they do, and it works throughout every working day. Just to say the magnitude of the work we do per year, close to 3,000 jobs are done, and considering the holidays and weekends and so on, it is almost like we complete 10 jobs per day with 6 different staff members. So which is a commendable job, especially considering the complexity of the requirements that we normally receive from the users within IIT Kanpur and also from outside. So this is one of a kind of facility that is available within IIT Kanpur. So we are open to all sorts of requirements that you may have with respect to fabricating extremely special and difficult glasswares. So we are open to give you any sort of service, and any kind of feedback you have, we'll be happy to take. So in short, this is what we do at the glassware fabrication facility and special water facility at IIT Kanpur. Thank you.